A client once lost her job because she couldn't afford a $200 repair. Not $2,000, not $20,000, $200. All because of a $200 problem. And situations like this happen more often than people think. And what happened next shows how fragile finances can become when there's no cash flow. Her car's thermostat had gone out. It wasn't a major repair. A mechanic could fix it for under $200. But she didn't have the $200. Because the car wasn't running, she couldn't get to work. And because she couldn't get to work, she lost her job. Without income, she fell behind on rent. And eventually she was evicted. And the car was repossessed. All of that from a $200 problem. Afterwards, I remember thinking, this wasn't a thermostat problem. It was a cash flow problem. Now, to be fair, she wasn't taking luxury vacations or living some extreme lifestyle. But over time, her spending had simply grown to match her income. Eating out a lot, small purchases, everyday spending that felt normal. None of it seemed extreme on its own, but together it left her with no cash flow at the end of the month. Something will eventually happen financially in your life. A medical bill, new tires, a family member in need, overtime hours cut at work. Unexpected expenses aren't rare. They're guaranteed. The real question is whether your finances can absorb it. Positive cash flow gives you options. It lets you fix the thermostat, replace the tires, handle an unexpected problem without panic. Without cash flow, small problems can turn into major ones. A $200 repair should never be the thing that changes the direction of your life. But without financial breathing room, it can. That's why building strong cash flow matters. Not because life is predictable, but because life isn't. If you want practical financial thinking, not hype, consider subscribing. On this channel, we focus on building financial stability from the ground up, because strong cash flow today creates options tomorrow.